Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see what is close friends option in Instagram and how it is useful. For example, if you want to post a story on Instagram and you want to filter some of your followers, means if you want that story to be viewed only by some of your followers, this option is useful. I'll show you. Open the Instagram and click on your profile at bottom. So this will leads to your profile page, and at top right you can click on three dots, and down you can click on settings, and under settings click on privacy and click on close friends option. So first we need to add the close friends. So these are all the followers or whom I follow. So if you didn't find any friend of here, you can go click on search bar and enter their Instagram ID so that you can get the profile and click on add. For example, in this example I'll add these two contacts, these three. Okay, so that's it. I added three contacts, and now what I'll do is I'll post a small story. Click on your story. Just I took a small picture and see here close friends. I can show you right beside your story there is a close friend option here. See here close friends. Just you need to tap on the close friends. See here, this is my story, but see here close friends. Only the people on your close friends list can see this photo. So I have added three friends, so only three friends means can view this story. So if your account is not public account, you have 100 followers but you only selected three followers as a close friends, so those three can view this uh, story. So here I'll show you again settings, privacy, and under privacy close friends, and how it works. If you want to have a detailed description of this, you can click on how it works here. And you can add or remove, share with only them. Photos and videos you share with your close friends list get a special label. Only they can see your list, means if it is shared as a close friends, they can see that it is a close friends shared video or photo, but they can't see who is there in that list. So this is how you can filter some of your followers to view your story or photo. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.